ang ating gingerbread ay ready na. So, nakikita nyo po yung mga different shapes. Yun, Christmas tree, star, we have moon. Hi guys! Welcome to our another vlog. Kumusta po kayong lahat ngayon? I'm sure medyo busy na tayo ngayon kahit hindi man maganda ang ating mga pinagdaanan this year, but I think Christmas must go on. Okay, so ngayon po, in this video, I will be sharing to you po some baking vlog na makakatulong sa inyong recipe na pinaplano in this coming Christmas day. Okay? So, ano po itong ibabahagi ko sa inyo ngayon? This will be the gingerbread man recipe. Okay, hindi po house ang gagawin natin, but a gingerbread man or a gingerbread cookies. Okay? So, napakadali lang po nitong gagawin. And hopefully, ma-follow nyo naman yung mga step-by-step na i-share ko sa inyo. And instead of buying on the mall na I'm sure medyo mahal ngayon, no? For that, you can bake it into your own at makagawa kayo ng sarili nyong design on your gingerbread cookies or even the gingerbread man, which for sure kids will love it. Okay? So, hindi ko na po patatagalin pa. Ito na po ang aking mga ingredients and procedure. Enjoy! Okay po, in the mixer bowl, mix the 200 gram butter with the 500 grams Demerara sugar. Then start to mix it until it will become light fluffy. Then when it turns to a light fluffy po, we will add 4 eggs. Okay? But kailangan po nating i-add 1 egg at a time. Then after po natin ma-mix ang ating egg, we will add again the honey. Ito po. This is actually 250 grams honey. We will add 250 grams honey. Then, i-mix lang din po natin. Next, in a large bowl, we will mix po yung mga dry ingredients. Ito po, this is our 1 kilogram flour. Then, our gingerbread mix or what we call Lebkuchen spice. I-share ko po mamaya ang ingredients nito on how to prepare this gingerbread mix. So this is a combination of several spices po. So this is actually 40 grams of this. Mix natin sa ating flour. And finally, ang ating bicarbonate of soda, which is 20 grams. Then, hahaluin lang natin. Then, after natin ma-mix ang honey po, we will add na yung ating mga dry ingredients. Then, hahaluin lang natin ng mabuti or until it will reach a very soft dough. Yan, so unti-untiin lang natin. Ayan na po, ang ating gingerbread dough is ready na. But before po natin ito i-cut sa ating desired shape, kailangan lang po natin itong ilagay sa chiller or at least overnight. Then, saka pa natin pwede siyang i-cut on our desired shape. So, before po tayo gumawa ng mga sizes sa ating dough, kailangan po muna nating ilabas sa chiller ang ating gingerbread for about 4 to 5 hours. Then, after that, we will roll it out na po using a rolling pin. So, option na po ninyo kung gaano kakapal the thickness of the gingerbread. So, if gusto niyo po ng ganito, pwede niyo pong i-cut ito yung desired size, or kung gusto niyo ng manipis, you can still roll it out until sa desired na thickness na gusto niyo. After po natin ma-roll out ng ating gingerbread dough, now since it's Christmas, I will be using different Christmas style na cookie cutter para po i-cut na natin ang ating gingerbread on our desired shapes. At ito na po ang ating mga desired shape ng ating gingerbread. Kung nakikita niyo po, may bell, Christmas tree, may star, yun, bell, Christmas tree, then heart, then star. Okay? So, ipapasok na po natin ito sa preheated oven, 175 degrees Celsius. Okay? Yan po, ang ating gingerbread ay ready na. So, nakikita nyo po yung mga different shapes. Yun, Christmas tree, star, we have moon, we have a bell, heart, shooting star. Okay, so, pwede na po niyang lagyan ng kahit anong design sa kanyang frosting. And, of course, make sure po, ilalagay niyo siya sa isang airtight container para ma-maintain ang kanyang moisture and yung ano niya po, softness, otherwise titigas siya. Yan. At heto na po ang aking gingerbread cookies. Yan. Okay, so I hope po nag-enjoy naman kayo sa ibinahagi kong video sa inyo on how to make gingerbread man or gingerbread cookies. And yes po, please try it at home and I'm sure you're gonna love it and even your kids will love it. Okay? So marami pong salamat sa panonood sa aking video. Advance Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat and see you on my next vlog. Bye!